Okay, so what do we have here? We took apart the whole front end. We're going to be working on it, getting these little rust spots fixed up. Thankfully, it's all surface rust. The front bash bar is off there. But more importantly, we got one headlight polished. And look at it. I didn't want to do a video on headlight polishing because there's so many, but look at the results. Crystal clear. And the reason why I'm bringing up headlights is because we have some new headlights or new bulbs that are going in. Auxito was kind enough to send me their LED headlights for the Teggy. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a product review, a before and after, showing you just what these are like. Let's put them in really quickly. Actually, before I do that, let's do a little before. I don't know what bulbs are in there, but let's take a look. We'll take them out and see how bright these are, and then we'll do an after to show how bright these are. Let's do that right now. Okay, let's get in the car here. The best thing ever that one of my friends got me was this app that I can use to turn off the lights, because I plugged in my lights to a smart switch. But let's do a little before. Let's turn these on. So that's the stock light. Now, I don't believe these are stock bulbs. I think these are the white halogen bulbs that you can buy, the aftermarket ones. However, they're not that bright. I'm gonna be honest, the lights are somewhat dim, even with the whole headlight being polished. So okay, so here's the bulbs. Let's give them a quick overview. Let's open these up actually, because I'm curious to see how these look. The packaging is so nice. Alrighty, let's get that out of the way. I put on my gloves because I know you're not supposed to handle LEDs without gloves on. Oh, look at that. They come with gloves. That's awesome. These are so useful because, yeah, you're supposed to wear gloves while handling LEDs just so that you don't leave any of your oils or anything from your hands on the bulbs themselves. So these are really nice that they sent them along. Put those aside. All right, let's see what else comes inside. Maybe a couple of cable ties. That's really nice of them. The product manual, and then the bulbs themselves. Okay, so these bulbs, they're supposedly the brightest bulbs that they offer for the Integra. I'm sure this will apply to other cars. Obviously, these are 9006s, so these are HB4 bulbs. I'm sure this will apply to different models of cars. Go on their website and you can quite easily figure out which bulbs work for your car. But just look at them and you can see the fans in the back, and they come with the controller. This is awesome. Well, first things first, I can tell you right away, the wiring, very thick. Very rigid cable. Like, I can tell I'm not worried about snapping this cable, so that's a very good sign. The fan's quite big in the back. The LED itself, very big, and it just looks like a quality piece. It feels like it's metal. Yeah, it feels like it's metal, which is awesome. So this looks very good. And actually, what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm going to take out the bulbs from the other side headlights so we can see them side by side. So let's do that. Okay, comparing the stock bulb to these new Auxito bulbs, you can tell good thing is the size of the bulb is pretty much the same. In fact, it might be even slightly shorter than the factory bulbs, or I should say halogen bulbs. And let me switch them around so that we can see it as a before and after almost. So these obviously are not your typical stock halogen bulbs. They have this blue kind of tint on them. What that does is it makes them appear white. Doesn't change the brightness. In fact, it actually probably makes it more dim than a standard yellow bulb, but they do the job. I'm not going to complain. They do the job. I don't know what brand these are, if I'm honest. It just says 9006, but it really doesn't say a brand. But if you compare, the LEDs, they come with fans, which is nice because they need to stay cool, and they're much better built. Like, I can tell by the weight that these ones are a quality product. So let's put them in. Okay, just for demonstration, I have a headlight out of the car, so it's actually quite easy to film. For the Integras and a lot of other cars with these style bulbs, I'm not sure. With these cars, it's fairly easy to remove the bulb. There's one connector that just snaps into this. You kind of pinch the top of the connector and pull it off. And then to take these out, all you have to do is simply spin and rotate out. And there you go. That's the bulb. So all we're going to do is take the new bulb, and we get that right here. And all we're going to do is just line the tabs up and spin it on. That's it. It's as easy as that. And all we're doing after that is, instead of connecting the connector directly to the the standard bulb, as you can see, there is a controller with the other end of it is the same style as the factory connector, and you just plug in your factory wire to here. That's really it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so as you saw, fairly straightforward install. Let's do a comparison. Actually, good thing is the Integras and a lot of other cars nowadays come with projectors. That helps you disperse the light. Everything turns out better with projectors, I kid you not. Alrighty. Let's get these lights turned on. Oh my goodness, those are bright. Okay. Wow. Wow, what a difference. These are bright. Oh my goodness, look at the brightness on these. This is insane. Okay, but the good thing I noticed about these, and a lot of bulbs don't have that. They have a really nice light pattern. You can see it's cut off. So what that does is it prevents oncoming traffic from being, literally these lights hitting you in your eyes. They're very bright. Nobody wants that. So this is important. They're extremely bright. They're on right now without the car running, so I can hear the fan, but it's very quiet. I'm thoroughly impressed with these bulbs. They're extremely bright. They're very quiet. And you could tell they're quality made bulbs. Yeah, no, this is great. The bulbs speak for themselves. Thank you so much, Auxito, for sending these out. I really like these bulbs. Extremely bright, very good light pattern. I can't complain. I think they're very good quality. If you're interested in getting bulbs for your car, click the link in the description below. It'll take you directly to the site. And get yourself some headlights, some tail lights, turn signals, you name it. Auxito's got you covered. Thank you again, Auxito, for sending these out. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll be making more content on this car. It's coming. There's going to be more content for the E36 soon too. But for now, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back at it again soon. Thank you.